who has been hard at work.
Yeah, I want to start with this click-to pin because there's a couple of things here. First of all, it's a beautiful calm before the storm shot. But look at this house on stilts right here, which is common down along the beach. But look, there's a lot underneath, and it's not usually covered by insurance because it's not the living area, but that's where you keep your kayaks and your fishing poles and your golf carts and all kinds of stuff down there in that little room, and that can go underwater with a significant storm surge. So keep that in mind. Just see if you can get it up to the first floor where it will be safer. So bicycles, all kinds of stuff. So be careful. All right, there those storms fell apart. So good news there. Temperatures in the 80s because of it. Bush at 85, 82 at Hobby. Elsewhere, lots of 90s, but it feels pretty good. We've had this north wind, although you'll see a south wind is starting to really take over. So I think the humidity starts to make a play this weekend, just FYI. Surge strength stall. Water from two storms. The Gulf is hot, and light steering currents can always cause problems for heavier rain. One tropical depression and one storm out there right now. Laura will have Marco by the end of tonight, probably, if not tomorrow, Saturday, 1 p.m., 50-mile-an-hour winds with that. Tighten it up here so it's a little easier to see. I've never seen two FUTURECAST cones crossing like this. I'll tell you, that is something. But two systems in the Gulf. So the water from one bringing in a significant surge, and then the water adding on to that, even just another 1 to 2 feet can be problematic. And it's certainly 88 to 90. All you need for storms is 80 degrees. But you get into the 86, 88, 90 degree region, then you have storms that can intensify quickly. Hannah did that. Isaias did that. Harvey did that. So don't let your guard down because it's just a Cat 1 and may just be a storm. It could well be a very strong Cat 1. Now, this is the European model, so I want to show you this. And we have TD14 coming in Tuesday into southeast Texas, and here's Laura, which continues to make a beeline into Louisiana. TD14 goes down to South Texas, but then it's going to follow Laura. As Laura goes north in this system, what's left of it will come back for some more rain for us on Thursday. The American model has come more in line with this. This is Monday at 11. So here comes Laura, and there goes what will be Marco. And you can see that into Houston at 10:30 Tuesday morning. So there's Marco, and here's Laura. And then we have this system continuing to Lake Charles. And then again, there's that leftover from Laura that wants to kind of slide this way with some leftover rain. So if you compare them and you just look at the red dots for location there, you can see the European and the American are very much in sync now. And I think the National Hurricane Center track based on this is certainly the one we have to watch. We'll get updates at 7 and 10. And in fact, we'll be on Facebook starting at 6:35, as well as our Click to Houston site talking about this if you have any questions. So Sunday night, increasing tides. Monday afternoon, wind and rain. Hurricane conditions Tuesday, pretty much all day Tuesday. Wednesday, we get a break, but we could see some Laura leftovers or leftover rain, as well as some Marco leftover rain trying to come our way. So we'll have to watch for that. 8 to 12 is possible. If a storm starts moving in at about 10 miles an hour, 10 into 100, that's 10 inches of rain. Slows down, speeds up, but 8 to 12, 70-mile-an-hour winds, power outages, 4 to 8 foot surge, water spouts and tornadoes, always a problem. Here's your power planner, 90, 85, 82. It should be a really pleasant weekend. So temperatures right there in the mid-90s. There's a 20% chance for storms like we had today. But then we get into Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and that's when we're going to have to watch out for some tropical trouble. So we'll